Picture this. You are dropped into the wilderness 2.5 million years ago. You have no phone, no shoes, no lighter, just you. Let's be honest, humans are kind of inadequate. We don't have sharp claws, we don't have thick fur, we aren't even that fast. By all laws of nature, we should have been a snack for a saber-toothed tiger. But we had a cheat code. We picked up a rock, and that single act didn't just save us, it broke the game. This is the story of the first technology. We usually think of technology as glowing screens and Wi-Fi, but technology really just means solving a problem. And 2 million years ago, the problem was simple. I want to eat that, but I can't open it. Enter the hand axe. It wasn't just a rock, it was the Swiss Army knife of the Stone Age. Suddenly, you weren't limited by your fingernails. You had a blade that wouldn't break. This sharp edge let us cut meat, scrape hides for clothes, and dig for roots. It was the first time a living creature looked at nature and said, "I can change this to fit me." Here is where it gets crazy. Tools didn't just make life easier, they actually hacked our biology. See, chewing raw food takes hours and burns a ton of energy. But with stone tools to chop meat and eventually fire to cook it, we got a massive calorie spike with half the effort. More energy meant our brains could grow bigger. A bigger brain meant we could invent better tools. Better tools meant more energy. It was a feedback loop that turned us from nervous prey into the smart, anxiety-riddled rulers of the planet. For 1 million years, things were pretty chill. Stone was king. But then, we unlocked the next level on the tech tree. Metal. This is where the definition of tool changed. The plow meant we didn't have to hunt every day. The wheel meant we didn't have to carry everything. The printing press meant we didn't have to remember everything and copying notes manually. We built an external world to handle our internal limitations. We built machines to be strong because we are weak. We built computers to be fast because we are slow. I want you to try a thought experiment. When you use a hammer to hit a nail, do you look at the hammer? No. You look at the nail. You feel the nail through the hammer. Philosophers call this the extended mind. The tool stops being an object and becomes a part of you. We are natural-born cyborgs. We have always used things outside of our bodies to extend who we are. But there is a catch, and it's a big one. The promise of every tool L, from the first stone axe to the latest AI chatbot, is the same. Efficiency, saving time. The washing machine saved us hours of scrubbing clothes. The car saved us days of walking. Email saved us weeks of waiting for letters. So, why are we busier than ever? We didn't use that saved time to rest. We filled it with more work, more consumption, and more tools. We built technology to serve us, but somewhere along the line, we started serving the technology. The tool that was supposed to liberate us ended up consuming us. Technology is the most powerful force in human history. It built our bodies and our civilization. But understanding how to use it without letting it use you? That's the real challenge. You don't want to miss on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit the like button.